here to yet another episode of People of Manipur. And today with me, I have Pamchuiwon Kashak, who is joining me from Imphal, from Nagaram Lokti. But originally, she's born and brought up in Zingsui village in the Ukhrul district of Manipur. So I came to know about Pamchuiwon Kashak from Instagram from her beautiful creation of Tangkhul beads. So today we are going to uh, learn more about her work, learn more about her, and also, very excited that, we have such beautiful creation available for us, Tangkhul beads. And I see that Pamji is wearing it today too. So thank you so much. With that, I want to give you a warm welcome. Pamchuiwon, welcome to our show.
Thank you so much for having me here, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. So I know that you were originally born and brought up in Zingsui village, Ukhrul district. You did your
Yeah.
master's, and then you started having your own brand and started creating Tangkhul beads with different product line of uh, earring and accessories. So
Yeah.
that is